Welcome to English session. So in the previous class, we completed that good night Tinku lesson and grammar part also over. I understand I extend these topics totally completed. Now we are enter the next lesson, that is the parade. What is our lesson name? The parade. What is the meaning of parade? Let's see. Let us read about Kamala's experience at the Republic Day parade. On the morning of 26th January, Kamala said to her family, "It is our beloved Republic Day. Let's attend the parade today." Yes. So here one girl is there. Yes. The girl name is Kamala. Girl name is Kamala. So what happens? Yes. The girl is there. The girl name is Kamala. Who is Kamala here? One girl. She is saying about her experience. She is saying the experience. What she is saying? On the morning of 26th January. Yes. Have you remembered, Nana? Even our school also we have to celebrating Independence Day, Republic Day, Mathematics Day, Science Day. So everything we celebrated in our school. Very enjoy. We have to celebrate very enjoyful. In the same way, Kamala also saying to her experience. On the morning of 26th January, Kamala is said to her family. Kamala is saying to her family. Kamala చెప్తుంది తన యొక్క ఫ్యామిలీకి వాళ్ళకి. It is our beloved Republic Day. Let's attend the parade today. Yes, ma. Today, 26th January. Today is a Republic Day. Yes. So what happens? It is our beloved Republic Day. Beloved means what? Beloved. Loving very much. Loving very much. Mom, it is our beloved Republic Day. We have to attend the parade today. Parade. We have to attend parade today. And Kamala is saying to her parents. So her parents also said, okay, let's go to parade. Let's go to parade. So where they went? Well, ekkadiki vellaru na? Yes. So off they drove to India Gate. Where is India Gate? Where is India Gate? Nana? It is in Delhi. It is in Delhi. Yes. So they went to India Gate to see the parade. How is doing the parade? So Kamala and his parents total went to India Gate parade. The family arrived at the parade. So arrived means reach. Arrived means what, Nana? Reach. Reaching. They already reached to that India Gate. So what happens next? So what is the meaning of parade, Nina? Here, a group of people walking together to celebrate. A group of people, lot of people to celebrate something. Here something means to celebrate the Republic Day. To celebrate the Republic Day. Group of members is staying a particular place. That is parade. Kamala was both happy and proud to sing the Janagana Mana aloud. Yes, they entered in the parade. The flag hosting will start. The flag hosting started. So what happens when the flag hosting in our school also? What you will do? Yes, when our principal sir after flag hosting we have to sing our national anthem Janagana Mana. So in the same way Kamala also singing the Janagana Mana is very loudly. పెద్దగా చౌ national anthem. Ikkada, yes, in the India Gate. The entire crowd sang along with her. Entire crowd. Crowd means here a lot of group of members. Chala mandi untundani emanta crowd. Crowd. A group of members. So even Kamala is singing the national anthem in the same way. How many members are there? Even they are also singing our national anthem. What happens next? The national anthem we all hold dear. From their seats in the very front row, the family clapped and shouted brave. Yes. In that parade, they will arrange some chairs, Nana. They will arrange some chairs. In the first row, they will sit our important chief guest of our country. Yes. Sometimes other countries presidents will come our Republic Day celebrations. In the same way, our Prime Minister, cabinet ministers, lot of CMs, they will sit in the first row of the parade. From their seats in the very front row, the family clapped. Yes, when the flag hosting completed, all of them started clapping. Clapping చేసి national anthem ని sing చేశారు. And shouted also. Yes, Jai Bharat, Bharat Mata ki Jai. Like that they will say to some slogans in the parade. Next, as tanks, trucks and jeeps rumble, soldiers march and nobody stumble. After completion of flag hosting, what happens? They have to show some cars and jeeps, trucks. Why they are seeing like that? As tanks, trucks, and jeeps rumble. Rumble means rumble. Made a long loop. Yes. After completion of this flag hosting, some cars, trucks and jeeps are coming. Why? Because after completion of this, soldiers march first started. Soldiers march first అనేది started. Even మనం చూస్తుంటాం కదా PM గాని CM గాని వచ్చి అలా ఒక రౌండ్ వేస్తారు నేను మార్చ్ ఫస్ట్ లో. ఎస్, అందరికి నమస్తే చేస్తూ అందరికి అలా ఒక రౌండ్ వేస్తారు కదా. ఈవెన్ our PM also, CM also, we saw in our TVs. Yes, in the same way here also did soldiers march first, but nobody stumbled. Almost, but nobody stumbled. Stumble means they are saying different activities. Yes, ఒకరికొకరిగా పట్టుకుంటూ. Yes, after the flag hosting, the soldiers came and they will do some different activities, but nobody stumbled. Stumbled means not falling up. అలా అందరు ఒక్కొక్క చేతిలో ఒకరు పట్టుకొని ఇట్లా ట్రక్ పైన చేస్తారు కదా, అది చేస్తుంటే చాలా కమలా గాట్ వెరీ సర్ప్రైజ్డ్. బట్ నోబడీ స్టంబ్లెడ్. స్టంబ్లెడ్ మీన్స్ ఎవరు కూడా కింద పడలేదంట. దే కెన్ వెరీ alert. They are very alert to do the activities. Yes. After some time, next came the floats to join the parade, to showing the diversity of India's states. Yes. After some time, our culture, our traditions, like a state-wise some how we are wearing the dresses in according to state wise. Yes, so that group will coming. So Kamala is also seeing this is our diversity of India states. Yes, ఒక్కొక్క స్టేట్ లో ఒక్కొక్క డ్రెస్సింగ్ ఉంటుంది కదా. ఎస్, మార్వాడీస్ అని, రాజస్థానీ, తెలంగాణ. సో like that one by one they will come to this according their states. After some time, one showed a farmer telling with a smile, another carried the mighty Agni missile. Yes. After some time, a farmer is coming under a separate vehicle. How it is look like? It is a telling with a smile. In that vehicle, we have to observe home and cultivated lands. Everything we have to see. And farmer also there. Yes, agriculture is the most important in our country. So that's why that part also joined. That vehicle also joined in the diversity of India. Another carried the mighty Agni missile. Yes, another Agni missile would start ayindanda. Okay, in the next class we will see remaining topic. Okay Nana, bye.